Today we're going to create an energetic boundary around your entire body, a protective shield made of warm, healing energy that will seal your personal energy in and keep what doesn't belong to you out. This is your space, your container, and you are about to learn how to reinforce it with love. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, begin to imagine that there is a source of brilliant golden light hovering just above your head. This light is warm, smooth like honey, radiant like sunlight. It glows with divine protection, unconditional love, and absolute safety. This light knows you. It was made for you, and it's about to pour down over your entire body like a warm, luxurious waterfall. So take a breath. And now, allow that golden light to begin flowing. Feel first at the very top of your head, your crown. Warm and gentle, allow that brilliant golden angel light over your head to pour down like liquid light. It covers your scalp completely. Feel the warmth spread across your entire head, front to back, side to side. It flows down over your forehead, smoothing away tension. Down over your temples, releasing any tightness. The light pours gently over your eyebrows, your eyelids. Feel it safely cradling your third eye, your center of intuition, protecting your vision, keeping it clear and yours alone. The warm energy flows down over your cheeks, soft and soothing, like a gentle hand cradling your face. That beautiful golden angel light moves down, covering the rest of your face, your lips, your chin. Breathe deep. The ears. Feel that light pouring down over both your ears, sealing them in warm protection. You're safe from words and energies that do not serve you. You're protected from energy that is not yours to carry. The light flows down, releasing any clenching, any holding, flowing down over your throat. Your entire head is now encased in this warm golden boundary. It's sealed, it's protected, it's held. The light continues to journey downward, flowing like warm honey over the back of your neck, smoothing over the base of your skull, releasing tension, maybe that you didn't know you were holding. This energy, loving, kind, pours down the sides of your neck, warm and thick, sealing, wrapping your throat, the place where your truth lives, the place where your voice emerges. Feel this light wrap around you like a soft, protective scarf. Your voice is yours. Your truth is sacred. breathe in this protection. This beautiful golden light flows down over both your shoulders, front and back, left and right. Feel the warmth pouring over the tops of your shoulders, melting away the weight you've been carrying. The light is thick and luxurious, coating your shoulders completely, sealing them in safety. You don't have to carry what isn't yours anymore. Breathe in. Feel that relief. Now the light begins to flow down both arms at the same time, warm and smooth like liquid gold. It moves down your upper arms, wrapping your biceps, covering every inch of skin. It flows down over your elbows, warming the joints, releasing any stiffness. The light continues down over your forearms, front and back, sealing your skin in warmth and gentle protection. It flows down over your wrists, circling them gently like warm golden bracelets of light. And now it pours down over the backs of your hands, your palms, each finger, all the way to the very tips. Feel the light sealing your fingertips, the places where you reach out, where you touch, where you give. Your hands are protected now. Your energy stays with you. Breathe in. Breathe out. The golden light now flows down over your chest, warm and thick, covering your heart center completely. Feel it pouring down over your sternum, wrapping your ribs. It seals your heart in love and protection. Your heart is safe. Your emotions are yours. You're allowed to feel without absorbing. The light glows warm across your entire chest, wrapping around towards the back, creating a luminous shield around your most tender prize. Breathe into your heart. Feel that it's held. Now feel that light flowing down your back, from the base of your neck, down between your shoulder blades, coating your spine, warm, thick, protective. The light travels over your shoulder blades, down over your ribs, covering, soothing every muscle in your mid-back, releasing tension as it goes. It flows down over your lower back, sealing the place where you hold so much stress and worry, the weight of responsibility. Feel the support. Your back is protected now. You are held. Breathe. Wrapping you like a warm embrace, the light continues over your belly, your seat of emotions, your gut of wisdom, your power center. Allow yourself to feel that container, that golden light coating your belly, your lower back, sealing in your solar plexus, warm and strong. Your power is yours and protected. Your intuition is clear. The light flows down over your lower abdomen, your hips, wrapping around your pelvis, warm and secure. Breathe into your belly. Feel it safe. Now this golden light flows down over both your thighs, front and back. Warm and smooth like liquid sunlight, flowing, soothing, healing. It coats the front of your thighs, the back of your thighs. Feel the warm wrapping around the powerful muscles of your legs. The foundation of your movement, the strength that carries you forward. These are sealed in protection. The light flows down over both your knees, circling them gently, warming the joints, filling any spaces with golden healing energy. Your knees are protected. Your ability to bend, to yield, to move forward is all safe. The light continues its journey down, pouring over your calves, thick and warm, coating the muscles that hold you upright. It flows down over your shins, sealing every inch of skin in warmth and safety. Feel that light wrapping around your entire lower legs, the back, the calves. This warm protective sheath of golden energy is safe and healing. Breathe in, breathe out. Now the light flows down over your ankles, circling them, warm, secure, gentle. Pours down over the tops of your feet, over your arches, coating the soles of your feet completely. Feel the warmth moving. Each toe is covered one by one, sealing them in golden protective light. This beautiful angel healing light flows all the way down to the very bottom of your feet. And from the bottom of your feet, this soothing light pours straight down into the earth beneath you, grounding you, rooting you, connecting you to the stable, loving support of the ground below. Your feet are sealed. Your foundation is protected. You are held from both above and from below. Breathe deeply. Now take a moment to feel your entire body, from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes, completely encased in this warm, golden protective light. This is your energetic boundary. It glows all around you, sealing you in and keeping what doesn't belong to you out. This shield is penetrable with your permission. So the love of those who you love, that you wish to receive, can enter in a safe, sovereign, protected environment. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine this golden light solidifying, becoming stronger, like a radiant skin that moves around you wherever you go. This boundary is yours. It travels with you. It protects you in every space, every conversation, every interaction. You can reinforce it anytime you need to, just by closing your eyes, taking a breath, and remembering this warm golden light pouring down over you. Rest here for a moment in this protected space. And know it is okay to bring in what you wish to bring in. It is okay to share others' feelings a little bit. It is okay to send those energies back out and return to this energetic sovereignty. You are not required to carry other people's burdens, and it is okay for that beautiful exchange that comes from allowing energy in and allowing your energy to be the gift to someone else, to allow that dance to be the next phase of learning, growing, discovering the magnificent, incredible, loving healer that you are. You've got this. I believe in you.